Okay, so now we need to install WordPress, which is the system that we're going to use to build the website. To do that, just come to the Auto Installers section and click on the WordPress icon. It takes us to a page which gives us some information about WordPress. What we're really interested in is the link that says Install Now. Just give that a click and it takes us to a page where we can put in some details for the setup. Now, we have the option of selecting from a list of domain names. Obviously, if you've only got one domain, then that will be defaulted for you. If not, if you've got multiple domains, then select the one that you want to start with. In our case, we're going to pick byexample.com. You don't need a directory unless you're setting up multiple copies of WordPress under the same domain. And then a little bit further down, we've got the option to set up the site name and a description for the site. Now, you can do these here, or you can do them later. So for now, I'm just going to leave the default settings and show you later how those are configured within WordPress. We're not doing multi-site, so we can leave that blank. We do need to set up an administrator username. I like to call that admin. And the system is suggesting a strong password for us. So I'm just going to take a copy of that password and store it in a notepad document so that I can get back to it easily. We're going to use it in a moment to log in as the administrator. So it's very important to keep a copy of the password. So we'll just create ourselves a little document telling us that we're going to use admin and that password for our administrator login. Okay, so now we have an email admin which will receive emails from the site. The site's going to be in English, so that's fine. We have the ability to set a couple of plugins that can install. Actually, we only want one of them, the Loginizer, which will prevent brute force attacks from people trying to gain access to the site. Okay, just down here in the advanced options, we have a database name. I just want to make a note of that, so I'll copy it out into our document that we're creating. It might be useful in the future to know the name of the database. And then we just hit the install button. The first thing that the system does when you install is it checks all of the data that you've submitted just to make sure it's happy with it. And then it starts filling the database with data and installing the software. The entire process is very quick, takes maybe about 30 seconds or so. And then that's the installation complete. So when you get the installation complete message, it gives you a couple of web addresses, URLs, which I'm going to copy into my document just so that I can get back to them easily. That one takes us to the website itself, and this one takes us to the administration section of the website where we can do our configuration. So we need both of those. And if you just click on this one, type in admin as your username if that's what you set, and then go and grab the password that you copied earlier and just copy and paste that into the password box. Check the remember me so that you don't have to type it in every time, and log in, and that will take you to the back end of WordPress so you can see that it's installed correctly and is ready for us to start our configuration. And that's it, the installation complete.